Simon Shield Cars are going to show you how to attach Android Auto to your Seat Ibiza. You can also attach Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink by downloading the apps on your phone. Once you've downloaded it, go through the attachments, which is data notice. You can either accept or say no thanks. Attach your USB port to the car and your phone. And once it's attached, you will see on your screen in the Seat Ibiza that your functions are mirroring what's on your phone. Google will tell you not to use this function, but to use voice control whilst you're driving. So you click through all these options, and these only come up when you're accessing it for the first time. Once you attach it via Bluetooth, these won't appear every single time. So to talk to Google, you just say, OK Google. Then your options are Google Maps. You've got the phone option on there. It will give you a home page. You can play music. I've got Apple Music on there, but you can use Spotify or any of the others. You've got Apple Music, Google Play Books, Google Play Music, and Google Podcasts. And then you can return to the Seat options. For more information on the Seat Ibiza in stock or any of our other cars, go to www.simonshieldcars.co.uk or give us a call on 01473 658 091. Thanks for watching.